Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video today I'm going to show you how can you adjust in this quarantine period in the Japanese government hotel, because as we know all, nowadays the new variant of COVID-19 Omicron is coming, and due to which various countries they have some bans, some rules, through which the Japanese government also have their some quarantine rules. Day by day they changes their rules. So for this reason you have to be in like a quarantine for a few days initial upon arrival in the hotel, and after that you can complete your quarantine period in your home stay or another your location. So for this, how can you manage in the, and what is the process after arrival? Because as in my case, I arrived from US California, and they provided me like 14 days of quarantine, in which the 3 days of quarantine in the Japanese government hotel, and after that I need to do another 11 days of quarantine in my home. So for this purpose, you have been going through various process, so you need to know what you should do and what is the step by step process. So don't be panic. In this video you can know everything, what documents you have to need download and keep with you upon arrival in Japan if you are coming from US or any other countries, because these rules are the same, only just the difference is that these quarantine days are changed upon the basis of which country, from which country you arrive in Japan. So as in the short I will tell you, I arrived here, and upon just arrival there are some staff members of the Japanese government. They bring us to the center for where we can give the COVID test, and after that there are some other process for downloading of the softwares in your smart cell phone, and you have to fill some other forms. So you can see all the process, how can these process are going, and so you can watch in this video. I'll making some things one by one, so please watch this video continue. Maybe hope this video is maybe hopeful, very helpful for you. Okay guys, please see you, continue. Thank you.